Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue remaining part of lesson number 6, that is the oath of Swarajya. Today we are going to start new point, that is preparations in the Mawal Valley. In previous video we have seen Shivaji Maharaj took oath of Swarajya in the temple of Raireshwar. To accomplish the ideal of Swarajya, Shivaji Maharaj started now preparations in the Mawal Valley. Students, you can see here the picture of Mawal Valley. Now, valley means, once I have told you, valley means what? Valley means the low area of land between hills or mountains. In Marathi, we say Dari. Soon Shivaji got busy with his new activities. Which activities Shivaji started? See, along with his comrades. Now, comrades means who? Friends. He started intensive training in swordsmanship, riding, exploring the secret paths in the hills, and getting familiar with the general topography of the land, its valley and ghats, and possible communication routes. Swordsmanship means see the skill of fighting with a sword. Riding a horse, Topography means what? See, topography means study of the shapes and features of land. Shivaji Maharaj started preparation in the Mawal Valley. What he done? See, along with his comrades, he started intensive training in swordsmanship, riding, exploring the secret paths in the hills. In the hills, secret paths are there. Shivaji Maharaj started to search it and getting the familiar with the general topography means land's feature, shape. About this, Shivaji has done study. Also, he has done study of the valleys, ghats, and also possible communication routes. Means which are the communication routes. About that also Shivaji Maharaj has done study. Communication routes means connecting routes or passage. They are called communication routes. Means we can connect to each other like this. Roads are there. That is called communication routes. Shivaji won over the Maulas who became his most devoted followers, willing to lay down their lives for him at any time. He won over the Maulas means Maulas were happy with Shivaji and they became the most devoted follower means they are ready to do whatever Shivaji say. Even they are ready to give their lives for Shivaji at any time. Shivaji's enthusiasm increased a thousandfold. Thousandfold means what? It is a sometime that is a thousand times more than something else. Enthusiasm means what? Interest. Means Shivaji's interest increased thousandfold when Maulas were ready to do his work. Shivaji made a detailed survey of all the forts and military establishment in the area. Military establishment means see connected with soldiers or the army. Means how much army is there, soldiers are there. That are studies Shivaji Maharaj has done. In this, his followers were of a great help to him. Followers means who? Maulas. They had helped him. In the course of time, he came to know the smallest details of every establishment, secret pathways, underground routes, ammunition dumps and cellars. Ammunition dumps means what? See, a place where the ammunition is kept. Now, ammunition means what? See, ammunition means bullets, bombs, or shells. Now, shells means तोफेचा गोळा. Cellar means underground room. We say तळघर. Through the survey, Shivaji Maharaj come to know smallest detail of every establishment. Establishment means settled arrangement, whatever it is there. About that, Shivaji Maharaj come to know. After secret pathways means secret roads are there. Underground routes means below ground roads are there. About that also Shivaji Maharaj come to know information. Also he come to know about the ammunition dumps and cellars. Next point we are going to see, that is friends in Mawal. Means in Mawal area there were some friends. About them we are going to see. All over the 12 Mawals there were Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans. Vatans means what? Gifted land in lieu of service. Lieu means instead. All over the 12 marvels means 12 marvel areas were there, and there who was there? There were Deshmukhs, and Deshmukhs were guarding their individual Vatans, which was gifted for them in the lieu of service. Deshmukhs, they looked after their Vatans. They were more attached with the Vatans. There were constant quarrels between them, leading to useless waste of money and manpower. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. He would visit the Deshmukhs in the area, talk to them, persuade them to desist from their folly, and raise before them a very attractive picture of the Swarajya of his dreams. Persuade means urge, desist means stop, and folly means foolishness. There were constant quarrels between Deshmukh, so Shivaji Maharaj decided to put end of it. So he visited to the Deshmukhs and talked with them and urged them to stop their foolishness, means stop their quarrels, and raised in front of them a very beautiful or attractive picture of Swarajya. He thus won many of them over to his side, means many Deshmukhs, they were ready to help Shivaji in his dream. Which is that dream? To establish Swarajya. Shivaji used force against those who were adamant. Adamant means what? See, refusing to change one's mind. There were some people, they are not ready to change their mind. Against that, Shivaji used force, means Shivaji fight against them. In this way, he stopped the mutual warfare. Mutual means, see, between one another, means between the Deshmukhs, among them. The quarrel was there, a war was there, it was stopped by Shivaji. Everybody was pleased, means happy with this happy result, and all started singing the praises of Shivaji, means all started to praise Shivaji. झुंजारराव मरळ, हैबतराव शिलमकर, बाजी पासलकर, विठोजी शितोले, जेंधे, पायगुडे, बांदल were some of the Deshmukhs in the Maval Valley who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader. The dream of Swarajya was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. Approaching means coming near. Fulfillment means achievement, means the dream of Swarajya was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. Means Shivaji was very near to fulfill the dream of Swarajya. Last point of this lesson, that is Shivaji's royal seal, we are going to see now. Now seal means what? See, seal means a piece of material like iron, brass, silver, which is stamped with some design. And royal means noble, grand. Students, you can see here photo of Shivaji's royal seal. The Jagir was already administered in the name of Shivaji, means Pune Jagir, it was already administered, means managed by Shivaji now. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal for Shivaji. Cast means made an object by casting a molten metal. Means only Shahaji Raje had made one metal object for Shivaji. Metals means, you know, this iron, brass, silver, aluminium, they are called what? Metals. It reads, means what was wrote on the royal seal? See, this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. New moon means, you know student, new moon means in Marathi we say Amausha. Means on that day you could not see the moon. Full moon means on that you can see full moon. And new moon you can't see the moon. And what is told here? This seal will grow in splendor like new moon. Now splendor means what? Impressive appearance. When the new moon grow, that time it grow in a splendor. Likewise this royal seal will also grow. This royal seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, denotes the welfare of the subjects. Denotes means be a sign of. Welfare means happiness, well-being. And subject means people. Means this royal seal, it is the sign of what? Welfare of the subjects. Means it shows that Shivaji is working for the welfare of the subjects. It will receive homage, means respect from the whole world. Means this royal seal will receive respect from the whole world. This royal seal in a way foretold the foundation of Swarajya. Foretold means what? Predict. Means this royal seal, it predict what? Or tell the future that what? There will be the foundation of Swarajya in Maharashtra. In those days, means in the time of Shivaji, the royal seal were carved in Persian language. Carved means what? Cut to produce an object and design. But Shivaji's royal seal was carved in Sanskrit language. Students, you can see here royal seal. This was carved in which language? Sanskrit language. And this royal seal was a significant change. There could be no Swarajya without your own language and your own religion. Swarajya means what? Self-rule, self-government. So, if you want Swarajya, there should be your own language and your own religion. But at the same time, there should not be a hatred, dislike for other religions. Now, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, these other religions are there. For that, we should not hate. The seal was a guarantee to all the Maulas that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. Guarantee means what here? Promise. Means this royal seal was guaranteed to all the Maulas that this government, means whatever Shivaji is going to establish Swarajya, that was for the welfare of the people, means for the happiness of the people. They were quick to grasp this point. They means here Maulas, and they were quick to grasp, means they understood through this royal seal that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. Last part of this video, that is the exercise of lesson number 6, we are going to see. Students, from workbook question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4. These questions answers are given in this video. You have to copy it in workbook and you have to learn. Thank you.